Hi, I want to talk to you today about nothing really changes until you start surrounding yourself with new people, the right people, mentors, people that will help you and inspire you. In that way, you're somehow controlling who you spend your time with and how you spend your time. And it doesn't change until you start surrounding yourself with people that are really, that you can model, that you can follow. And here's my take on this. Just imagine for a moment that Harry Potter, this stick that he's holding, he just thinks it's, you can use it to poke cats, or to stir your coffee, or to poke your nose, or to whip somebody, or tease somebody. And he wouldn't really know that it's a magic wand. There would be no story, right? Because that is what it's all about. It's the magic that's held within that wand, right? Now, I felt very much the same when my daughter, my 13-year-old daughter, she decided to put a schedule for her exams on a piece of paper and stick it to the kitchen wall. And of course, I put all the apps on her smartphone, tasks, lists, schedulers, etc., etc. And of course, she's not using the power of that, right? And that's what it is. I mean, of course, nowadays the smartphone, obviously, you may not even need a laptop, and you can run a business from a smartphone. That is the truth of it. So in that sense, it's very much a magic wand, and we're not using that to its full extent, and we're not fully aware what you can actually do with that smartphone in terms of running a business. You don't know the power that has of actually running a business and making an income for you, a smartphone. So, and if you think about it, then it's, I think where it really lies is that, of course, there is a big misunderstanding that we think when we think online business, that we still think that we have to come up with the next Airbnb or Uber, or we need to be the next Mark Zuckerberg to attract a billion users and do something really big online. Of course, the reality of it is that you can earn an income online by selling somebody else's products as an affiliate. You could be running a business online with products that you import and do a Amazon or a web shop and that kind of thing. Affiliate business goes very wide also. It goes into, so apart from the e-commerce, the affiliate business can go into services and information and education products, right? So, these are realities where people can start to earn money, whether they have their own product or not. And also, whether you're running a consultancy business or an information business, this is something that you can also expand onto the internet, of course. Now, my point is this, that it doesn't really change until you start surrounding yourself with new people, the right people. You get mentored, you get surrounded by people who are actually engaged with all this online business and running an online business and doing online marketing. Because admittedly, when you sit at home and you're just typing away, you're Googling away, you're trying to find your way in how can I make an income online, there'll be lots of opportunities, things you should try also, right? There are things that are out there that you should try. But the reality of it is, when you're still surrounding yourself with the same people, friends, family, colleagues, etc., your social clubs, your sport clubs, etc., then nothing changes very much, because you're trying to make a new path on your own, as trying to figure it all out. You may well succeed in doing that, but imagine you don't get the inspiration, you don't get the energy, you don't get the ideas, and you keep talking about the same things when you're in the same circles of friends. Whereas when you surround yourself with the new people that are in the territory that you want to operate in, imagine the discussions you'll be having then, right? They'll be different, because you'll be wondering, what can I learn from these people, or what can I teach these people, and how can we work together, how can we develop opportunities for an online business, etc., etc. So the conversations become very quickly different, and you'll get inspired, you'll get ideas, it'll spark off some things, and these are the things that you miss out on. So that's why I find it fantastic that I'm part of the SFM Six-Figure Mentor community and the learning platform, because it's not just that it's the system that helps me to set everything up and run everything, but it's definitely also the community of people that I'm surrounded with, because we're having these types of discussions to make the most out of what we're trying to do, and there are people that have tried things already, that have gone before, that we can learn from, and this is what really makes the whole difference. So starting an online business, we have a magic wand in our pocket, which is the smartphone. We're not fully aware of all the magic that actually can do. But it won't change until we start surrounding ourselves with some new people, some people who are engaged with that kind of business, so that we can actually really spark something off, and we start to see the possibilities. We can try things out, we can test things, we can verify things with one another, and we can get excited about stuff. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. Thank you very much.